The alarm did not ring. Daniel, I am late for work. My alarm did not ring.
Oh no, Maya, what time is it there?
It is 8:30. The meeting starts at 9.
Can you be ready in 10 minutes?
I can try. I need my bag and my keys.
I can pick you up. I am near your street.
Really? Thank you. You are saving me.
No problem. Put on your jacket and come down.
Should I call the manager now?
Send a short message first. Say, we are on the way.
Outside the apartment.
Maya, over here. Do you have your bag?
Yes, I have it. Wait, I need my ID card.
Check the small pocket.
Here it is. Good. I am so nervous.
Breathe. We still have 20 minutes.
But traffic is bad in the morning.
I know a faster street.
Did you tell the team?
Not yet. You should send the message.
Okay. I will write. I am sorry. I am on my way.
That is good. Add, I will arrive soon.
Done. Let's go. Traffic on Main Street. Oh no. The cars are not moving.
It is slow, but we are close.
It is 8:50. I hate being late.
You sent a message. That helps.
What if the manager is angry?
Be honest. Say the alarm failed.
And say I am sorry.
Yes, then join the meeting quietly.
Can you bring my report if I forget it?
You put it in your bag. I saw it.
Good. I need coffee later.
First, the meeting, then coffee.
At the office lobby.
We are here. It is 9:05.
Only 5 minutes late. That is not too bad.
Right. Walk in calmly.
Should I say something at the door?
Say, sorry I am late. Then sit down.
Okay. Short and polite.
Yes. Do not explain too much now.
My hands are cold.
You will be fine. You know the report.
Thanks, Daniel. Please sit near me.
Of course. I am right behind you.
Okay, let's go in. After the meeting. That was better than I expected.
Yes. The manager was okay.
I said sorry, and then I gave my report.
Your report was clear.
Thank you for helping me this morning.
You are welcome. It happens to everyone.
Tonight, I will set 2 alarms.
Good idea. Also, charge your phone.
And I will put my bag by the door.
Then tomorrow will be easier.
Now, can we get that coffee?
Yes. You arrived late, but coffee is on time.